Hi, students. It's me, Ms. Miles, and thanks for stopping by the Miles Ahead classroom. Today, we're reading a super fun book that's perfect for summer. The Cool Bean Makes a Splash. You might remember we already read The Cool Bean, but now our bean friend is back with a whole new adventure, this time at the community pool. The Cool Bean sees the other beans doing backflips, cannonballs, and riding the super slide. But he's not quite ready for that yet. Will he find the courage to try something new? This story is all about facing fears, trying new things, and leaning on your friends when you need a little support. So grab your towel and goggles because let's start reading The Cool Bean Makes a Splash.
The Cool Bean Makes a Splash, written by Jory John and illustrated by Oswald. Watch out! Here come the cool beans. Check out how they dive. Look at how they cannonball. Watch how they backflip. Yow! What a splashy entrance. The cool beans are the best swimmers in town.
Ah, yes. This is the life.
Look at their terrific technique, their perfect posture, their fearless floating. The cool beans are at the center of everything. Meanwhile, I'm out here on my own. I'm treading water by myself. But hey, we're all just doing our best. Plus, there are plenty of things for an ordinary being to do in the pool. I can still have a grand old time. Yes, but every time I try to act cool, whoops! Oh no! It never goes very well. Suddenly I have a new idea. A big idea. A super idea. Have you ever seen this super slide? Up there. See? Way up there. You see it? Yes. It's huge. Yep, it's tall. Yeah, it's scary. I've never been brave enough to ride on the slide before. Maybe today's my day? After all, how will I ever become a cool bean if I don't take a chance? So now I have a plan. Yes, I'm going to gracefully glide down the super slide. Watch out! Here I come, marching up the steps. Watch out! Here I am, about to ride the super slide to fame and glory. Watch out! Here why are my knees shaking? And why do my arms feel like noodles? And why am I sweating? And why am I wobbly? And why is my stomach filled with butterflies? Oh no. No, no, no. Look, down there. See? Everybody's staring at me. I can't do it. I just can't do it. I don't know what I was thinking. Oh no. What are the cool beans doing? Wait. Why are they coming up here? Wait. Are they gonna embarrass me even more? I can't stand it.
Psst. It looks like you could use a hand.
It turns out the cool beans just wanted to help me out. Oh, and they asked if I'd like to ride the slide with them. They're waiting for my answer. I mean, sure, yes. I would like that.
Great. We'll be right behind you.
It's not as scary when you go with friends.
It'll be over before you know it. Wait.
Wait. Whoa. Wow. I did it. I really did it. I really, really did it. What a thrill. What a rush. What a ride. And I never even cried. The super slide was super fun, and I couldn't have done it without my cool friends. High five.
Yeah, buddy.
They all realized that I just needed some encouragement and support. Sometimes I forget that there are plenty of kind folks who have my back. They're always there when I need them. Yes, indeed.
Watch out.
Here I come.
Yow!
And now it's time to relax with my friends. Because it turns out you can be just as cool at the shallow end of the pool.
Great job, students. Thank you so much for reading with me today. The Cool Bean Makes a Splash taught us that it's okay to feel nervous about trying something new. We all do sometimes. Just like the Cool Bean, you can take small steps, be brave, and lean on your friends when you need support. I'm so proud of you for being awesome listeners and readers. And don't forget, because you stopped by the Miles Ahead classroom, you're already miles ahead. Until next time, keep being cool and keep turning those pages. Bye.